One.
Hi everyone, this is Miss Bustillos from Bristow Middle School, 6th grade. I want to give you some help today on translating algebraic expressions. Our learning target is, can I translate algebraic expressions? So what we're doing is we're taking our second question right here and we're saying, why do you think the bar diagram models for addition and subtraction look a lot alike? And you might be confused because you might be like, what do the bar models for addition and subtraction look like? So let's give you an example. Let's say we have an expression that is 5 plus 2. That would be an addition bar model. So we would draw that like this. I make my bar, and I'm going to put the 5 and the 2 on the same line because together those are going to equal a whole value. So I put them together on the same line. And when I put those together, that equals a sum. If I did something like 5 minus 2, it's going to look different as a subtraction bar model. So again, I'm going to draw my bar model. I'm going to put the 5 up here because that's the total value that we're taking parts away from. And the 2 goes down there. So this part right here, this is the difference. Sorry, that's real small. So why do these look alike? Because we have part, whole. That's addition, so putting the parts together to equal a whole amount. On subtraction, we have a whole, take away a part, equals the other part. Another way that you might see these is you might see something like this, where you have the sum, and you have one part here and another part here. So the 5 might be there and the 2 might be there. And this one, it might show the whole amount and then taking that difference of 2 away to give you this part as a difference. So looking at the bottom one, what expression can be used to describe the missing label in this bar diagram? Again, you can get help in your math notebook on page 11. That is for this year, 2019. It might be a little bit different on another year. So your math notebook has a page that you can check. When I flip through, I'm going to go to page 11 right now. We have notes that look like this that show what those bar models look like. So we showed the addition one already and the subtraction one. This one looks like it's a product, and it looks like all of the values are up here and we're missing the total amount. And that is a multiplication. And on the division one, we have the total amount and we're missing each of the parts. So we're going to take that and we're going to compare it to what we have here. So, we are missing the total amount, but we have the part, and it's telling us we have a certain number of rows. We don't know how many rows, but we know we could fill it in with more than one 8. So if I was to draw a bar model that looked like, it might look like this. 8, 8, 8, dot, 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 because we don't know how many there are, but there are number of rows. So what would that be up there? I'm going to give you just a moment to think about it. So if we're putting all of these little parts together, it's kind of like we're adding a number over and over again. That would be repeated addition, which would be multiplication. So what we're looking for is the product. So this up here, that question, would be a product. When we multiply a number times a variable, we put them right next to each other. So the expression, therefore, the expression to describe the missing label would be 8R. That's what we would use to describe that product. All right, everybody. Until next time, have a great day.